Hi everyone, welcome back. As we discussed in the earlier video, we stopped at get command information. We just issued the command and it has returned all the commandlets installed on your PowerShell console. As I mentioned in the earlier video, let's go ahead and work on our requirement. That is searching for a specific service related commandlet, which means you want to manage services on your computer and you don't know which commandlet to use. When you issue plain get command, it is returning all the commandlets installed on your machine, right? Now we wanted to dig through the results and find the respective commandlet to finish our operation, that is working with our services on the laptop or computer. So in the earlier video, when we issued the command, it has returned about 6500 commandlets. Now we wanted to filter 6500 commandlets with a keyword saying service so that it can filter the commandlets which has keyword service and return them. Let's see how it works. To do so, we need to issue the command get hyphen command. In asterisk, we need to issue the keyword, and I'm going to press enter now. So now, what does it mean by a keyword? A keyword is like a specific thing that you have an idea of in the machine, like service, process, files, directories, settings, configuration, IP address. These are the keywords. So I mentioned service between two asterisks, which means there might be a word before service keyword or there might be a word after service keyword. If you examine the above results, each commandlet has service as the keyword at the beginning or at the end or in the middle. It's because we have given a wildcard before and after the service keyword. So now it has returned only commandlets which has service as the keyword. Let's see how many of them are returned. Again, we need to use count function. So it will search through and give you how many commandlets have service as the keyword. So out of 6500, now we filtered out 582 commandlets. And this is not sufficient to perform our task. So if you search through these commandlets, you can find your commandlet, whatever the commandlet that you decide for. Like I'm specifically looking for this commandlet. So what do we need to do is, instead of putting the keyword between asterisks, let's trim this command a little bit with a hyphen as the prefix to the keyword. So what happens is, it will further filter through the 582 commandlets and give you only a list of commandlets which has hyphen service as the keyword. So now if you see the count again, it's further reduced. So it's only now 9 now. Now you got the command you are looking for and you don't know how to work with it. So for that we need to use get help command. So if you want to use if you want to know which command to use, you need to issue get hyphen help space get hyphen service. So it will show you the respective help with that command. So this particular command shows you help about get service command, and get service command actually returns services information on a local computer or a remote computer. So we'll see how to work with help in the next videos. I'll explain about get help command further. I hope this video is informative for you. If yes, please do subscribe to channel and click on the bell icon.